Alright friends, welcome back to 4th capsule. This is on CERN and India. What is meant by CERN? This is European Organization for Nuclear Research, and India is going to become associate member. And before going into the activities of this European Organization for Nuclear Research, this is a prestigious organization for particle physics research, and before going into it, you should have clear knowledge about what is meant by elementary particles and what about this organization. And first of all, let us look at the aspects of matter. All of you are familiar with atom. Please look into this. Atom consists of nucleus as well as protons, neutrons as well as electrons. So atom constitutes protons, neutrons and nucleus as well as electrons, and at the same time all of you are familiar with electromagnetic radiation, and you can see visible light and you cannot see X-rays, gamma rays, all those things you cannot see, but they are part of electromagnetic radiation. So when you are talking about physics, these two things are very important. One is atom as well as electromagnetic radiation, and if you look at these two aspects, you have to go into the fundamentals or elementary particles. Elementary particles are the particles which cannot be further subdivided. They are elementary in nature. If you look at atom, previously it was thought that atoms do not constitute elementary particles, but now it is proved that nucleus is made up of elementary particles, that is the quarks. Similarly, the elementary particles for electromagnetic radiation are photons. So, this quarks as well as photons, these are all elementary particles, and the research pertaining to these elementary particles is all about CERN. So, this European Organization for Nuclear Research does fundamental research in particle physics. So, to look at the elementary particles as well as the forces associated with them, this organization CERN is associated with, and for that purpose only it created a large hadron collider. Please look into this picture. This is a large hadron collider, and this organization is associated with that. So if someone talks about CERN, that is the organization meant for research in elementary particles like quarks as well as photons. And the factual information I have given here, it is the world's largest nuclear and particle physics laboratory, and it is headquartered in Geneva, and it has 22 member states. At the same time, 4 associate member states. Pakistan became associate member in 2014 itself, and India will become associate member shortly, and associate member has to pay annually rupees 78 crore, and the full members have to pay 10 times of that. So this is all about CERN, and if you want India and CERN, India has got observer status with CERN in 2004, and 2 years ago India was invited to become associate member of CERN, and Indian scientists are actively involved in the construction of a large hadron collider, right? So if you want more about Large Hadron Collider, I have given here. It is the largest and the most powerful particle accelerator, and the main purpose of Large Hadron Collider is it provide energetic particles to investigate the structure of atomic nucleus. Please look into this slide. This is Large Hadron Collider, and it provide energetic particles to investigate the structure of atomic nucleus. Basically, it does research about elementary particles and various forces associated with them, right? And further, if you look at India and CERN, in Large Hadron Collider, India assisted in the areas of design, development and supply of hardware, and after the deposition of instrument of ratification, India will become associate member in January 2017, and to this effect agreement was signed by Shekhar Basu, chairman of Atomic Energy Commission and CERN Director General in Mumbai recently. And I have written here more about the CERN, and it was finally established in the year 1954, and it is derived from the acronym for French word, that is one part. And as I have already told you, the main area of research is particle physics. And finally, what will happen to India? How does it benefit India? 2-3 things are there. One is it allows Indian companies to bid for lucrative engineering contracts. Second point is Indians can apply for the staff positions at the organization, and as Indians have already participated actively in the development of a large Hadron collider, in future India's role in various scientific experiments may increase. This is all what is available as far as CERN and India is concerned, and with this let us conclude the 4th capsule. Please do join for other capsules. Have a nice day. Thank you.